How to change TikTok username. Here is how. Tap to open the TikTok app on your phone. Under Profile, tap on Edit Profile option. Now, under the username. On this side, you can see the names that I am currently using. To change it, tap on it. Now let me delete this name. After that, I can now enter the new usernames that I would like to use. After that, tap on Save. Here under Username, you can see that to change it again can take 30 days, and that's 1 month. You have to change it again. Tap on Set Username. Here you can see the names have changed. Even here it's the same on the profile. So that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos.